Hey Superstars, my name is Miss Sieber. This is my virtual classroom and welcome to Superstar Parking. So today I have something really fun planned. But before we can get to our really fun activity, I'm going to give you a little bit of information that you are going to need in order to be successful today. Are you ready? Today we are learning about mass. What is mass? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. We can measure mass using grams and kilograms. 1 gram is equal to the weight of $1 bill, which is very light. And 1 kilogram has the same weight as a dictionary. So think about it. We want to use grams to weigh items that are lighter, like a paperclip. We would use kilograms to weigh objects that are heavier, like a car. Before we dive into our really fun activity, let's look at some comparing language that we are going to be using today. So today we are going to be using 3 comparing language terms: more than, same as, and less than. So when we're looking at my drawings, we can see that the mass of A is more than the mass of B. When we're looking at my second drawing, we could see that A and B have the same mass, or A has the same mass as B. And when we're looking at my third drawing, we could see that A is less than B. So A's mass is less than B's mass. I don't know about you, but I am so ready to begin my activity. But my activity's not in this room. I have a surprise waiting outside for us. Let's go. So today we are going to be playing a fun game where we will be looking at objects and first determining whether we will use grams or kilograms to weigh the objects. So before we begin, I would like to introduce my contestants. So my captain for Team Blue is Miss Jamie, and my captain for Team Pink is Miss Audrey. Now Jamie, who is the other player on your team?
This is Jose, he is my partner.
Now Miss Audrey, will you introduce your partner?
I have an awesome partner, and it is Johnny.
Woo! And this is the Superstar Game Show. Okay, so here's how round 1 works. Every team has one of these little guys: kilograms and grams. I'm going to hold up a picture of an object and the teams are going to decide, will we use grams or will we use kilograms? The first team to shake their shakers will have the right to answer the question first, and if they get the answer correct, then their team gets a point. And if they get it wrong, then the other team has the ability to answer the question to receive their point. Are you ready?
Yes.
And round 1 begins. So the first object that we are determining whether we will use grams or kilograms to measure its mass is a movie ticket. Team Pink? The answer is grams. High five, Team Pink. Woo! High five, high five. So Team Pink has 1 point. All right, my second object is a watermelon. Team Blue, what's your answer? Kilograms. Good job. High five, Team Blue. High five. So Team Blue has a point and Team Pink has a point. So right now they are tied. All right, are you guys ready for our third object?
Yeah.
Yep. So my third object is a piece of gum. Team Blue, that was fast. What's your answer? Grams is correct. Woo-hoo! So Team Blue has 2 points and Team Pink has 1 point. All right, this is my last object for round 1. My object is a train. Team Pink? All right, so Team Pink, your answer is kilograms and you are correct. So right now our game is tied. All right, so we are ready to begin round 2. For round 2, I'm going to show each team 2 objects. They are going to write on their sheet of paper which object is heavier or has the greater mass. Then we will weigh the objects out, and whichever team gets it correct gets a point. Sounds good?
Yes. Yes.
And we are starting round 2. All right, for my first 2 objects, I want you to write down on your paper which candy has the greater mass, the Kit Kat or the Airhead. So you want to quickly write your answers down and give Miss Sieber a thumbs up when you are ready to try our experiment. All right, I'm ready to experiment. So I'm going to place my Airhead and my Kit Kat and let's see which object has the greater mass. Which object has the greater mass?
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. What was your answer?
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. So Team Blue got a point, and what was your answer?
Kit Kat.
So Team Pink also has a point, so we are still tied. All right, are you guys ready for our second two objects?
Yes.
All right, which object has the greater mass? Is it my number 2 birthday candle that we use for Mr. Charlie Brown's birthday? Or is it my little purse? Which object has the greater mass? Are you guys ready to test it out? All right, let's test it out. Are you guys ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
No! As we can see, my purse clearly has the greater mass. What was your answer?
The candle.
No point for Team Blue. What about you, Team Pink?
I told you the purse.
Candle.
No points for Team Pink. So they are still tied. All right, these are my last two objects for round 2. So Team Blue and Team Pink, you better get it together. All right, my two objects are a tennis ball and a glittery Easter egg, a big Easter egg. So record your responses and then we'll test it out. Even if we fix it, we could definitely see that my tennis ball's mass is greater. What was your answer?
Tennis ball.
What was your answer?
Tennis ball.
Uh-oh, we have a tie. All right, since we have a tie, we have a bonus round. We're going to weigh 2 more objects and let's see which team gets it correct. So, which object has the greater mass? Is it my big paper ball or is it my tennis ball? Record your responses. All right, let's see which ball it has the greater mass. As we can see, my tennis ball still has my greater mass. Team Blue, what was your answer?
Tennis ball.
All right, Team Blue, what was your answer?
Paper ball.
And Team Pink, what was your answer?
Tennis ball.
All right, so Team Pink, they are my winners. Good job. Thank you for coming to Superstar Parking. Thank you guys for playing, and we will see you next time. Bye.